If you want to upload an image to your blog, your HubPress blog, you can do so by uploading directly to a GitHub issue, like this particular image here. I'm going to show you how to do that now, plus a few other tips about getting images into your blogs, into your HubPress blog. So create a new issue. Then you'll have a new image come up. I usually use a format to denote that it's actually an image, like this. This is just a thing for you to show you that it is actually an image, not an actual issue on your blog, like that. So then you, as you can see here, it's attach images by dragging and dropping, selecting them or pasting them from clipboard. Now I'm on Android here, so I can select them by tapping on this and then using the documents hook, which will allow me to open up from any number of apps. I've got a couple saved in my copy, so excuse the orientation, copy's got a bug at the moment. Needless to say, I'm going to go into the blog shared files and upload the Capcom Pinball Magic image here. It'll do that and then attach that into there. Now what you can do to further enhance this link, as you can see, you've got markdown syntax here. The first block is the image title. You can change that to something more meaningful if you like. For example, Capcom Pinball Magic, which is the name of this particular machine. And you can also see that there's a URL here that you can copy. So if you copy that link, whoops, finger fudge. My fingers are too fat for this particular one. There we go. So if we copy that and then switch back, submit the new issue first, save it, make sure it goes into the database. Once it's uploaded, it'll be in there and you can actually see that now. Now you can then at any time, if you want to get the URL for that image, you can tap on it and it'll load up the URL up here for you if you haven't copied it already. Now we'll copy it again. We've already copied it, so we can switch back to our blog, which is already open. As you'll see from this particular blog entry, there's already one image uploaded. As you can see, it uses the syntax image, then 2 colons, then the direct URL to the image, and then square brackets with the name of the image for accessibility. Now I'm going to show you what that looks like when we embed a new one. If I scroll up here so you can see it, do 2 returns, image, 2 colons, then paste. You'll see that image pop up there as it renders. Now, as you can see, it doesn't render right now. We need to put 2 square brackets on the end before it will do that, because that's the ASCII doc syntax. Put 2 square brackets and that will automatically display. Now you can further enhance this image by adding in a caption if you like too. By putting in a caption, it turns a standard image into a figure. So I can type in Capcom Pinball Magic, and then what this does, it turns it into a figure. As you can see, it's got a nice caption on it now. So that's one way you can do it. The other way, of course, is rather than embedding the images into the blog via GitHub, you can use any other image hosting service such as Copy, Dropbox, anything that allows you to get a public link. So we're going to go and try that now with this particular image here. So in this one, I'm going to go and select the share option from here, which will allow me to copy to clipboard, and that makes a unique link for the image. I can then switch back to my blog post quite easily. Then 2 more returns, image, colon, URL, opening left and right square brackets, and then wait for it to load a little bit because it's coming up from copy. And as you can see, this is slowly loading now. So it depends on how you host it. GitHub, as you can see, is very quick. Other image hosting services may be a little bit slower, and it all depends on the resolution of your image as well. Again, with this one, you can set a caption, or you can just leave it blank like this, which doesn't show a caption at all. So there's a few ways of embedding images into HubPress. That doesn't necessarily mean you have to purchase a Git client or use a PC to interact with Git command line. So that's a really easy way of getting images up into your blog posts and enriching your blog post.